Mama wakwaba wafreme Adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo nipa ya okase oye NPP ni na okire se wachima Ghana fa na nyina na wako Northern region. Se NDC fo na yo mo adwen se Northness ebeto aba e de amomo 2024 idi ani omo boa because Northness ne e fine some omo kina na about to do ho tin NDC for mo to ayampia no na ayampia no mo koso anto no mo ni se beto omo wan 7th December o kire se oye research no amanfo bebre e kire se Vice President Dr. Bawima na o se e fata se 2024 o win elections no tin Northness ne de omo do omo ayekom e na omo our time and almost nyama mukokomoti de beko ede ama no Vice President Dr. Bawima yentie ensem ode etudwa.
Are you like the third and last one?
And he's going to give benefit to us.
Okay. With third and last topic, I like to treat with you. And then they said you went into Ghana, Mukovotuma Bawima, the way it's supposed to be for him to be the flag bearer and everything. Now, I was of the belief, say you could choose a Muslim candidate here, and I say you choose be a or free north, and I saw crowd that tenacity now. And Kayeniano Muslimi for no would draw close to it. However, not that I'm not seeing the effect, but say only Yenianum Srimfuni Bikasa, all right?
Yeah.
They like I don't know, almost like they are not really on his side like that. What do you think might be the reason? Because Mona must say,
let me correct you.
Mona must say, Mamo chance, Emma Mon serve or party. I feel Yamamo chance. Just yesterday, Mr. Sam, I had a conversation with someone, okay?
Yeah.
Someone who is close to the north. And I mean, yes. People know who this person I'm talking about is. And Okachem say, or no Ankasakrano. A shocking how an Nkrofonama NDC for that almost say, Bawima is only using the Muslim to a but he's not a true Muslim and all of that. And that is what they are saying. I don't know if the team have heard that. They are saying he's not a true Muslim. And it is a big campaign they are doing up there.
No, it's that was expected. It's propaganda. And every politician does it, right? We almost but the truth of the matter is the Zongo caucus, there is effect. We may not get overwhelming majority.
Yes.
But definitely we can compete. Okay. Hello.
Oh, Mr. Sam, fire call me. Sorry, not me.
So we can compete. We can compete better than before, and that's the advantage you're gonna get. Okay. You see, say can't nothing. The reason why it's so important, say you need to call it in say apart from the geographical north, 5 regions in was wrong, which me call me experience in say how do you any problem. Okay. And NDC for now, I've heard many NDC people confess to that. Say, north there, when we are worried, say either we may overtake them or we may
split it
than before. Now, but south there are people of northern extraction. Almost probably 2 to 5 million millions of people across the southern sector. I mean, a crime free museo. A brand mimisano, not Northness or percentage, was probably 20, between 15 and 20%, and not mostly from the that, and then it's different. It's almost 50%. I just say, exactly. And it's throughout the country. So it's important that we did what we did. I mean, NPP, we had somebody, true Kinsablos Kumasias Antikotoko.
Papa.
Now, only team there, it's like class 1 for team. Your friend, inclusiveness.
Inclusiveness.
Okay? Inclusive policy. You need to include people. instead of excluding them. And it's okay. Policies that's what it is.
Something that brings everybody on board.
Everybody. I mean, the country belongs to all of us.
Yeah, because why should the rich mans be only the ones to go to university?
Me senior brother pet and me papa it means sponsor and high school. Oh, no. Or they echo Puseka or Bayer head teacher or tried there for like 40 years. Before say, my dear children, by the time I almost drew high school, even though Baku tried extension, I didn't know, a middle school living, when you go to secondary school. Exactly. And there are hundreds of thousands of such people who may drop out from the old elementary system. Okay. Me go secondary school no. Fortunately no, and unfortunately, Sabra papa kokwashi. Okay, and you know Niska. He couldn't have sponsored me to go to secondary school. But that time, my senior brother and Maker said, "Me papa here." He was now a teacher, and he started helping me. And then this family member chipping here and there. You know the big story. Obia oye cocoa farmer. 1979-80 cocoa ashishi ni cocoa ashi. I couldn't qualify for CMB scholarship.
Because cocoa no ashinti.
And yes, I just say cocoa scholarship is supposed to be for cocoa farmers.
Cocoa farmers. And
who needed to be qualified than somebody like me at that part. Oh, papa, edo cocoa ni cocoa ashi. Edu chama ne be uko school. As I said, that time there's a CMD scholarship be. So what do you obon krana? As I said, qualify no nyebi. But nyebi. And you know the sad part? I went to school to meet people from Accra and other areas. Cocoa Kromu be that. And yet they were on cocoa.
I'm gonna know how many cocoa is can show me.
Exactly. And policies like free SHS, a inclusive policy. It brings everybody together. So that's it. A year now working
systems,
friends say
university student.
University, I mean, how many people before that, system only say we here will be our public or
now what's net and I
could guarantee you.
Yeah.
I mean, me organ and me Juma was later. I will never guarantee for.
Me pension in my go school.
Exactly.
Information Ubatoma o tribe ni.
Nano
information is
member kuma so.
Ubatoma Cramoni and say we are Cramoni, Ubatoma Cramoni and Antoma Cramoni. Says how are you and your woman says.
Member so no dear or you hunya front to Abama.
Well, we said you will be so a Canadian. How dear what dear fa? I
also no dear. Oh, you so depressed now. You hunya far on to Abama.
Obisu or noon a sumba kuma on to Abama. What said the city? Won't you be a Canadian? It's Quanya and no free crukra. Yeah, to Abama. It is the obey the air to Abano. And yet a beer dear oh ya day. Whoa, cannot. If you are betting me a picky economy. Of course, yes, economy no. It be a near to Mrs. Honestly, as I speak now, it in America, I was a near my baby, sister, Jumano, aye, no be opposition, no air chance on COVID. And we'll paint everything black. One of the paint, depend, air black you. It will hold your white across the baby before. So he is praying, or they are praying for negative news. And Robert's inflation be from ya. Sadetin inflation be from. When him say Ghana ni ho chire no a no obeto abade ama no so ono so wantimi ye. Wantimi am oyira konhuma na ye ne de wonim so obeja wo aba no hoko de boy. Enti nimpa ye wo bo ani say Enkadana for nkwada akura